Hey there! Today we're diving into a fascinating problem that involves testing a method using CompletableFuture.allOf. The issue at hand revolves around ensuring that the method returns the first non-null value from a set of completable futures, or an exception if all values are null. It's a tricky situation, but fear not, as we have a solution ready to tackle this problem head-on. In order to address this problem, we've come up with a robust solution that leverages CompletableFuture.allOf. This method ensures that all completable futures in the input list are completed before processing the results. By using a combination of then apply, then accept, and exceptionally, we can handle both successful completions and exceptions effectively. This approach allows us to prioritize non-null values while still handling failures gracefully. Now, let's recap the key points we've covered. The use of CompletableFuture.allOf in the provided method ensures that all input completable futures are processed efficiently. By carefully orchestrating the flow of data and exceptions, we can guarantee that the method returns the desired result, the first non-null value, or an exception if all values are null. Remember, CompletableFuture.allOf is a powerful tool in asynchronous programming, and mastering it can greatly enhance your code's reliability and performance. Thanks for tuning in to this discussion on CompletableFuture.allOf and how it can help streamline your asynchronous workflows. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!